Today we're reviewing the Rav X Bike Basics kit. Here's the kit here. You've got a mini pump, 11 function mini tool, and a medium wedge saddlebag plus patch kit. There's the pump, patch kit. You've got your multi-tool, and bag. The multi-tool comes with the ability to take off tires. Nice bag with the Rav X logo. Let's read some of the features. It's a performance mini pump. You've got Prester Schrader valve ability. 136 cubic inch saddlebag. Expandable, quick release strap, reflective fittings, full on patch kit, and the 11 tool multi-X. All for $40. Rav X.